Hello trade boosters, welcome back to a brand new video. So in this video I'll just show you guys a very simple strategy with the Heikin Ashi candles. Works very well on all time frames. I would say start from the 5 minutes time frame. There are very simple rules to this strategy. Number one, wait for your price to be oversold, and number two, wait for price to be overbought. Now when prices are oversold on your Heikin Ashi candlesticks, you're looking for sells, and when prices are when prices are overbought, you're looking for sells, and when prices are oversold, you're looking for buys. All right, let's get that clear. All right, cool. Now let's get started. All right, let me give you guys a few examples on how to trade this signal, this strategy. So number one, you need to make sure that whenever your Heikin Ashi is oversold or overbought, you are trading from an area of resistance. All right, you don't just trade out of thin air. You need to make sure that there is resistance in those areas. For example, you can see right here we're oversold here, but there really isn't any area of resistance that we're at, so we would most likely not take the trade. And you can see here we are we're overbought and we are at an area of resistance, so that was a good trade to take. It's a good trade to take. And right here you can see we're at a good area of resistance as well. I'm gonna just a little bit up. You see it did touch. Let's cover this whole area like that. It did touch. That was a good buy. Including this, that was a good buy over there. Including this, that was a good buy. That was a good buy. All right, so as you can see, this indicator does work. Just need to make sure that you can see that was a nice buy. That was a nice buy. Yeah, so areas of resistance, make sure that you use your Heikin Ashi candles, and yeah, you see progress. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.